Morning to all. Myself Tarun Marwa. I am pursuing BBA from MERI College of IP University. Today I am presenting a presentation on a topic body posture and body orientation is very important while appearing for an interview. So let's we start. Introduction of this topic is what you say during a job interview is obviously important and most candidates spend a lot of time preparing good answers for common interviewers. The way in an interviewer perceives your body language can make the difference between receiving a lucrative job offer or filling out yet more job applications. Watch your body language. The term body language includes just about any manner, gesture, or postures. Body language. Body language is especially meaningful in an interview as your interviewer will be paying as much attention the nonverbal cues. You want to avoid nervous or body language like repeatedly crossing and uncrossing your legs, arms, fiddlings with your hair or clothes continuously, touching your face, scratching your head. In the continuation, particularly avoid anything your interviewer might find annoying, like playing with the button or pen. Constant or bold gesturing is also to be avoided. Since some of these mannerisms are often triggered by nervousness, solid interview preparation and rehearsal may help you to feel more relaxed. Shake hand to proper way. By doing an interview, you have to prepare a shake hand proper. One of the first thing you will probably do in an interview is shake hand with your interviewer. The handshake is a simple symbol of introduction, a polite way to acknowledge the other person. But it can also be an unspoken judge of personality. In the continuation, hiring manager says that the while a limp of unenthusiastic handshake would not necessarily destroy an interviewer. The same goes for a sweaty palm. Maintain eye contact. Eye contact is very important for everything. A lack a lack of eye contacting during an interview can lead your interviewer to think that you are shy. For some technical positions, especially for programs, they are stereotyped that people are shy and awkward around others. Being able to comfortably maintain eye contact help you to go against the stereotype. However, shifting your eyes to and from the interviewer face can also send the wrong messages. While you do not want to start at your interviewer to the point of making him or her uncomfortable, do maintain eye contact as much seems appropriate. Smiling when you meet it. Smile is a very good symbol of our personality. So now we discuss about it. Smiling, the universal sign of happiness, is a great way to convenience your interviewer. On the other hand, an oversized or artificial grin used too often during the interview will lead to the opposite result. Your interviewer will know you are forcing yourself to act a certain way. In a continuation, according to Discover magazine, when a person is sincerely amused, a part of the brain called the basal ganglia. A forced smile, however, uses a different group of muscles, which is why it's generally easy to recognize a person. Be mindful of a personal space. Individual culture and even individual people have different interpretation for what constitutes. While one person might feel at ease speaking only inches from someone face another's. When facing your interviewer, be mindful of how close you are standing. Body posture is very important for your personality to grooming yourself. Thank you.